afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government passed question. Question number 17 says the type of prayer group that champions the interests and rights of the underprivileged is known as that. The type of prayer group that champions the interests and rights of the underprivileged is that. When we talk of prayer group, means interest groups that fight for the interest of their members. So I want to talk of underprivileged means the common people or masses in the society. Option A say professional prayer groups mean for professional. Then promotional prayer group means it is defined for promotion. Economic prayer group means for economic needs of the masses. The educational prayer group is designed for education. So the type of prayer group meant for the underprivileged is economic group for their needs. So option C is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.